Got a product you need off Walmart? Here's the fastest way to delete it. Also, if you stay until the end of the video, I'll show you where to access free training from Walmart directly. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO and founder of EHP Consulting Group, and my goal is to help you stay and become a millionaire on Walmart. And the only way to do that is to conquer Walmart together. Let's dive in. Okay, so simply you just log into your Walmart seller account. So seller.walmart.com, you simply go to catalog, you find your listing. So let's say that this is it, this listing right here, and then you click delete item. If it doesn't delete, you can always open up a case with Walmart directly, and you can copy the GTIN, the item ID, and the brand. Might as well just take a screenshot as well, submit it to Walmart, and then Walmart can help you get it deleted. Now, right now on Walmart, this is as of November 30th, 2024, you can only delete listings that say seller fulfilled. So if it is seller fulfilled, just like this listing, you can go ahead and get that deleted. If it doesn't delete, contact Walmart. If it says anything else like Walmart fulfilled or seller fulfilled WFS eligible, then unfortunately you're not able to delete it. So if you do try to delete one of these listings, I'll do it for you. It'll say it can't be deleted at this time, but do check on a regular basis because Walmart is updating their systems. It's a little crazy that Walmart will not let you delete some items in your list. Just a little weird, but that's Walmart. Walmart's learning, they're growing. But again, the easiest way is to just go into the seller fulfilled items and you can delete those directly. Now, one more thing I do want to mention is when you do delete your seller fulfilled listings, it may take 1 hour to 24 hours before it's officially deleted. Again, you can contact Walmart to help you get it deleted. Sometimes you need to delete it twice before it fully gets removed from Walmart. Walmart likes keeping their items there. But for staying towards the end of the video, to get free training on Walmart is you can just go to Google, type in Walmart seller training, and then you're gonna see this Seller Academy, which is free access by Walmart. It is a little bit outdated, but I recommend to go through it so you can learn more about Walmart and how to succeed as a seller. And that's it for today's video. If you did learn something new, drop a like below. If you're a Walmart seller, I highly recommend you subscribe to our channel because we're releasing a lot more videos regarding Walmart and how you can succeed on Walmart as a seller. Again, if you need any help on Walmart, contact ehpconsultinggroup.com right in the description. And our #1 service is helping you manage your Walmart account to increase your sales. Contact ehpconsultinggroup.com today. I'm Josh Hackett and I'm signing out.